Hey guys, it's Kelvin here once again. So I want to mention something. You see why most bass players sound very average even after many years or plenty years of playing is because of these two things. Number one, technique, and number two, musicality. All right? Technique and musicality. These are the major two things, right? Technique and musicality, right? One of the biggest misconceptions is that playing fast automatically makes you a better musician or a better bass player. It's partially wrong, right? Because speed is very important in music, right? But I've heard people play only 4 notes and they sound very incredible. And I've heard people play 100 of notes and nothing move me. Why? Because music is not competition of speed. Is a conversation. Do you understand? Professional bass players, I don't think they don't ask how many notes can I play when they are playing music. They don't ask that. Do you get? I think their question most times, or what they think, is what does this music, what does this song need at this particular point in time? That's the question they ask themselves sometimes. Let me just play something very simple. Or less is more also. The less you play, I think the more interesting you sound. So let's say I'm playing this song. Let's say I'm playing a groove, something like this. Let me give myself it. So the progression I want to use is just right, then fa, right, 6 and 4. So I can just go. It sounds interesting, but as interesting as it sounds, it's not going to move your audience, right? Because it's busy. It ain't nice to hear. It's very cool in the ears, but it's busy. But let's say I'm playing the same thing, something like this, right? And it's repeated. Do you know that whether I like it or not, subconsciously you will just start nodding your head? Why? Because the groove is repeated, it's repetitive, or it's being repeated a good number of times, so it has a higher tendency of coming to your subconscious, sticking. But if I'm playing the other one, as much as it's good, as much as it's also nice, but it's not that musical. Do you get it? So a lot of time that simplicity and holding that groove is actually very, very important. Do you understand? So technique and musicality is just the two things. Do you understand? A lot of times you reduce your technique and be more musical to create that balance. I don't know if I'm speaking sense to you.